Hello guys, this is the WANYOIKE'S cute family. Once again, thank you our subscribers. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for showing us some love. Thank you for the many things. And today I'm taking you for a nature walk along Nanyuki river at a place known as Mokema. That is on your way to Doldo. That is where today I've taken you for a nature walk. And we thank even our returning subscribers. Thank you for liking and loving our content, and I plead that you really show us some love by subscribing if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, and you really make us feel good and blessed. Welcome on board. Hello guys, once again here WANYOIKE of the WANYOIKE'S cute family. Niko mtoni huku Ben, inaitwa Nanyuki river or Nanyuki river. I'm just here all alone to cool down, to reflect, do some reflections in life, to plead with God, and all is well. So that's me, guys, going back to where I came from. So me, I'm a guy who likes nature walks, mostly all alone, but most of the time we go with my lovely girl. And guys, here there's a lot of agricultural practices ongoing, as you can see. People here do irrigation along the river. That's tomato and cabbages. After that, I found a hideout, a joint at Mokima Market. Very nice. I tell you, this place is a real sundowner. From here you see the sunset, and I really enjoyed the sunset alone in the company of the sun. So you can see the sundowner hall. They have a conference hall, and then where I am is a bar and restaurant, and I really enjoyed the sundowner, as you can see, guys. Then if you take one for the road, you are also catered for. They have a butchery. It's a really good hideout if you want a quiet place. It's known as Iowa Mokima. Iowa Mokima.